I'm Joyce. So this is Sophia. Today we are at the Columbus Coffee Cafe near Thompson area. So these are the food choices we have chosen. This one is the chicken meal, and this one is the truffle fries. I think the truffle fries tastes very good, right?
It's very yummy.
Yeah. So what do you like about this cafe?
I like the ambience. You can show them.
Yeah. Okay, wait now. Later I'll show.
Hi Joyce.
Hi.
So how much is this meal?
This is 44.70.
44.70.
Yeah.
So what do you have?
Truffle fries, and I think this one is a chicken meal with some bread looking. Yeah, and this one is the Earl Grey iced tea. Yeah. I'm enjoying my food over at the Columbus Coffee. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, there's a reason why I give you this. It's because of the soft toy inside.
Ah,
Not because I wanted to give you a cup.
this is so cute. It's like
Yeah.
a ramen bowl.
Yeah. So it matches these two, right?
It does with the
Yeah.
see, the Naruto.
Yeah.
The egg.
It's
That's
cute,
really
right?
cute.
I think there's also other stuff also.
Thank you.
No problem. I hope you like it.
Yes, I do. See what else?
It's
Oh,
a card.
you wanted to send me a snail mail, right?
Yeah.
So this is the one.
Actually, I sent to your address.
So
This is food related also. Yeah.
the-
I hope you like your gift.
yes, I love it. Thank you.
No problem.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
And they have bubble tea.
Bubble tea.
See tapioca, you know.
Okay, so how do you play this game?
Oh, it's just farming and decorating the
Ah,
place.
Okay, cool. So
Get your
you
eggs.
sell things also, or you just keep building stuff also?
Yeah, and then I like their characters. So sometimes I'll purchase the tiny, cute characters and see them roaming around. See, there's an eggplant here.
Very cute, right?
Yeah.
So which one is your favorite character? Oh, then
My favorite character, let me show you. Where's the house? I think polar bear.
A polar bear. Very cute.
Then I have the grass.
Actually, I like the grass also.
Capsicum.
is the dust that makes it feel like sneezing. This one is from Typo. Very vintage. This is the cupboard from 42.